Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn ABCD and some numbers. Let's start. Green color. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for girl. H. H for house. I for eyes. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lemon. So kids, now time to learn some numbers. Purple color. 1. Number 1. 2. Number 2. 3. Number 3. 4. Number 4. 5. Number 5. 6. Number 6. Light green color. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 10. Number 10. 11. Number 11. 12. Number 12. Purple color. O N E 1. T W O 2. T H R E E 3. F O U R 4. F I V E 5. S I X 6. Green color. S E V E N 7. E I G H T 8. N I N E 9. T E N 10. E L E V E N 11. T W E L E L V E 12. So kids, what we learned today? Green color, purple color, red color and light green color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.